gonna be unboxing a Labubu. This is the version 1.
Parkingan na yan.
And this is
Ayun,
the ones that
parkingan
I
na.
want to get. I want to get Solid, Lychee Berry.
Wala.
Diba walang
I want
ano
to
yung
get
madamo?
Ano mo yan dati? Ngayon, parkingan na siya.
Topi. And the
Bibili
secret.
na siguro ng
I just
iba.
don't want these ones because I don't like that colors.
Siguro.
Let's see what I will get. Re-unboxing because it's already opened. I already know what I got. Reusable bag in Gen 2. Yeah. It's now a reusable bag. Yeah. Look at my cute Labubu. I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, open it up. I'm still gonna pretend like I newly bought it, okay? You got you wanted. Yeah, I wanted Lychee Berry the most and it's not ano. Well, mine 360s, just look. My brother's Labubu is 360. Look.
Nakita.
Hindi. Ako na. Look, it's 360. Pakita mo natin yung 360. And even the feet is it's still not a Lafufu because it's all about the looks. Okay, ayusin mo na. Okay. Lychee Berry. The card is very cool. And there's a sound. Hindi narinig. Lapit mo sa sound. Tayo lang. Lagi mo dito, mag-scratch ka dito. Wag. Okay. Lychee Berry. No, ako na mag-end. Okay. It's not even 360. Nothing is 360. I got the one that I wanted so bad.
Ang pala dati,
Bye-bye.
yun nga, malapit na sila sa